Hello, thank you for joining us. This is Frank Mendez with waterdistillers.com. Some of you have a mini classic CT, and that's what this is about. And it's really a maintenance thing on this particular distiller. This boiling chamber has been around for years. And every once in a while, after you've had a boiling chamber for a while, you might see a leak or so dripping on the bottom of your distiller, or the production doesn't seem to be as great. So I just want to share this with you because it's really easy to remedy. But first of all, always make sure if you see water or moisture coming on out that you key in on that so that you can maintain your water distiller. These will last for years and for generations. However, you might have a real simple maintenance thing to do, and that's changing this O-ring, which you cannot see. It's a boiling chamber O-ring. And this is the way it looks like, but it's just a small little tiny ring. I'll hold it this way too as well. Again, it's very, very small. And in this hole right up through here, there's this particular gasket. And after you've had this for a considerable length of time, then this gasket could start wearing out, and you replace this in here. Yes, and now that I've shared this with you, let's take a closer look now at how to change this.
Step 1. Locate the steam hole on the back of the boiling tank. Remove old O-ring by picking it out with a hooked tool, like a dental pick. Once the old O-ring is completely removed, place a small amount of silicone lubricant on a tool and spread evenly within the hole so that the O-ring will slide in more easily and make a tight seal. Step 2. Place the tank on its side and insert the small O-ring into the hole, pushing it up into the groove. Step 3. Once the O-ring is placed inside, like this, you can start to position it correctly inside the groove. Step 4. Using two small tools, hook one section of the O-ring into the groove inside the hole. Then with a separate tool, push the rest of the O-ring into the groove. The O-ring should be sitting evenly in the groove before putting the boiling tank in use.
Thank you so much. Frank Mendez with waterdistillers.com. Have a good day.